Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and let me share with you how to fix app crashing. Alright, so first of all let's go to the settings, and here we have to scroll and find apps and services. Then go to apps. And here in this list, let's localize the app which causes you a lot of problems. So let me pick, for example, the browser. Just tap on it. And what I highly recommend to do firstly is to simply tap on force stop. Tap on force stop here. Thanks to which you will simply cut all of the actions which are, let's say, possibly taken by this app. And then go to storage here and tap on clear cache. Thanks to which you will remove junk files which might interfere. After those two actions, you can try to open the app again and hopefully it will work. If not, you can repeat them, so first stop and clearing cache and reset your device in order to kind of confirm all of the changes. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to simply go to your app gallery, which is right here. Let me tap on it. Here you will start with the featured. So let's go to Me in the right lower corner, and here we've got app updates, so let's tap on it. View more, localize the app which causes you a lot of problems, so for example HUAWEI browser in my case, and tap on update. And now your device will download the update and overwrite it over the older one. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to uninstall the app completely from the device and then install it again from the app gallery, because sometimes installing the brand new version is better than overwriting the new one over the older one, because it also might cause some problems, some crashes, etc. And as a last resort, I also highly recommend to check for the system updates, because sometimes older systems are now working well with newer versions of apps. So let's go to the settings. Right here we will have to scroll down and find system and updates, and go to software update at the top. And now your device will check for the updates, and if it will show you the information that you've got the update pending, I highly recommend to download it, not only because you will probably be able to open the app you want to, but also you will update the security of your device, and it is really, really crucial, especially nowadays. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.